Good morning, everyone. This is Bruce Workshop. Yeah, inside workshop. This is my yacht. I'm moving here for just almost a month, but I just finished the kitchen renovation, and I got a problem. Is this make a hole? Actually, make the holes cannot fit this pipe in, so I have to cut the pipe. And I realized that today is weekend, and I can't find any pipe joint in hardware shop because hardware shop not open. And I just go to Mr. DIY and they don't sell it. So good thing is I'm doing 3D printing. So today I'm going to create this pipe joint.
So create this pipe is basically very simple, and you just need to draw a flat sketch on one of the slide, and then you're going to use a revolve. Then you will find that come out automatically, and this is the pipe. Simple, right? Of course, you have to measure the dimension you need, make sure everything is correct, then only go to the sketch. So like I'm also adding something extra like this thread. May not use it because this is not screw, but sometimes it's a good way to holding it with some whatever. Okay, now this thing need to send to printer.
Hey, welcome back. I just finished a print. This is the models I made from Fusion 360, and there's another one. Same size, similar profile. This is downloaded from ware.com. I just search it from there and download from the Thingiverse. I will upload these two, because this one is just brought in. Well, maybe they will both use. Let's try this. So this is the pipe, and I got a printed part. Let's try this. I hope that works. Oh.
It's a little bit offset. Too big. But can get into.
The moment of truth. Is that work? If not work, I will be sprayed by the water. So, 3, 2. Let's try this.
So I can see the water pass through. Okay, now starting. Oh, pressure come out. No, it's not working. Okay. Okay. Stop. Aha. The problem is water's come out from here. It's not holding well, so I got these two rings. I should put it on. Looks like working. I think I need to create some cork cover to protect this part. Maybe a square box, so to avoid people then hit this. So I've got some sharp edge here, maybe it would hurt yourself. Well, try to run the washing machine. This has got power here. Why no power? Okay. So I'm going to wash the machine. No, 2 P4 Q. Water flow. So 3D printed part joint working. Just not sure how long it will work. Temporarily. I think this review will come back after a month later, or whenever it's damaged. So see you next video.